I want to give you a side-by-side comparison of three popular electric pressure washers. Sometimes on Amazon, you can find one that you like, but what's difficult is comparing them side by side. And I think that's why these videos are sometimes helpful, because I can go over the features with you and you can just see them side by side, see what they look like, and go over the specs. So I've used a lot of electric pressure washers. I've used gas pressure washers. The electric ones often will be rated at a significant amount of PSI, but I don't find them typically to be as powerful as the gas ones that are even rated at a lower PSI. But the good thing is they're super convenient because you can plug them in and go, and then they're great for like cleaning off cars or patios, things like that, where I would say not as good as a gas one is if you're like cleaning a driveway and you're running a big surface cleaner or something like that. Typically the gas ones are going to have more power in those situations, but just cleaning a car and things of that nature, these are excellent and they definitely operate quieter. So let's go over these. One on the left here, the yellow one, this is I'm gonna say Kärcher, I'm not exactly sure, a German company, and this one is rated at 1800 PSI and 1.2 gallons per minute. That's going to be the lowest of these, but one of the things I like about this one, I actually like this kind of big open tub where you can just put your gun in there. Other ones have different containers. This one does not come with as many nozzles, but it was very highly rated. So you can see it has a soap nozzle and then a 15-degree nozzle and then like an adjustable turbo nozzle that you can put on the end of the gun. I like the ease of the on-off button there that you can just step on with your foot. And all these you're going to want to have the water running before you turn them on. Next, the blue one, this one is the most powerful. This one is going to be 4200 PSI and 2.8 gallons per minute. So that's a couple things you want to look at, is the PSI and then the gallons per minute, like how much water can you get flowing through the machine. So this one again is the highest rated, but again, if you were comparing it with a gas pressure washer, one that might be 2500 PSI, in my opinion, would be better equipped to run a surface cleaner. But if you're just washing off things, then it would be great for things of that nature. And the last one is this SWIPESMITH. It's going to be in the middle. It's 3800 PSI, 2.6 gallons per minute. And let me show you the features on the blue one. You're going to get 4 different nozzles here that it comes with. On the green one, you got 4 nozzles, plus both of these come with a foaming cannon that you can connect on there. And the difference to this green one, the SWIPESMITH, does come with this reel, so you can roll up your hose. Sometimes the hose does get in the way, so that's one extra feature that's on this one. Tons of pressure washers on Amazon. These are 3 popular ones that get good reviews. Hopefully this video is helpful in explaining you some of the differences in these 3 models.